Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our speaker, Mr. Jeric Pantaleon.
What's up? Good afternoon, everyone. Everybody stand up. I want everybody to stand up. Come on, tayo lahat. Tayo. Bakit tayo sa kanan? Yan. You look great! Taas ang kaliwang kamay! Hawakan tayo sa kaliwa. Sabihin sa kanya, love you. In the air, say yes! Okay, tatanong ako sa inyo. Pag yes ang sagot, throw a fist. Today is gonna be a great day! Okay. Today, we're gonna learn a lot of things! Ito yung next question ko. Yun na single dito. Taas ang kamay. Huwag na mahiya! Yun na single! Okay! Pakinig! Lahat ang single magkaka-love life this year! Yes! Alright! Palakpakan! Everybody, give yourself a hand. You announce it. I'll give you the microphone now, baby. I can have space, please. Ay na lang, microphone. What's your name? Stand up. We would like to see your beautiful face, please. Yeah, let's give her a hand. What's your name? Kate? Alright, Kate. What is sales?
Sales for me is the act of selling something.
Correct. Sales is the act of selling something. Thank you. Let's give her a hand again. Okay, let's give her a hand. Okay. So sige, since dami kakahiyaan sumagot, eto malamang hindi nyo pa nadinig. Actually, I have two definitions for sales. Okay? The first one na fit for this particular seminar, this particular talk. I want you to repeat after me, okay? Sales is everything. Everybody say that. Sales is everything. Ibang simple. Okay. Pag inisip nyo kasi, when you talk about sales, what do people think about? It's about selling a product, selling a service. In short, it's about selling something. What you don't realize is every day of your life, you're doing sales. Bata ka pa lang, nagsisales ka na, hindi mo alam. I'll give you an example. Magpapaalam ka sa mom at dad mo, pa-party ka. What are you selling? You're selling the idea of you being able to party kahit hindi mo pa nagagawa yung homework mo. When you're applying for a job, when you're talking to HR, you're being interviewed, what are you selling? You are selling yourself. You are the product. Okay? Panaliligaw ka, nandidate ka, di ba? If you're on a date, what are you selling? You are selling yourself. You are selling the idea that you're the perfect person na gusto niya makasama. Tama ba ako? So in short, if you master sales, listen to this, ha? If you master sales, you'll be able to use this in your everyday life. Hindi lang sa work, everyday life. Alright, so again, let's repeat. Sales is everything. Alright, the second thing I want to teach you about sales, okay? Sales is about transferring an emotion. Everybody says, nagawa yun. Yung mga brands ng shoes, mga brands ng bags, how are they able to make their products an obsession? Would you like to learn that? Okay, guys, today I will give you some techniques on how to make your product an obsession of your clients. Would you want to achieve that today? Alright, sige. Yung product nyo, it makes people think na, uy, mukhang okay to. Nakakatawa, minsan hindi naman talaga okay yung product, pero dahil mukhang pinakakaguluhan, ina-avail. I'll tell you the technique. Ito lang this is just my observation When I was looking at that donut shop, I was observing when that was happening. You know what they did to make the line long? You know what they did? Ask me what? Okay guys, they only had one cashier. Diba? There's a wow! Diba? Kasi nga naman, pag isa lang yung cashier mo, hahaba pila mo. They made that strategy that there would only be one cashier. Eh ngayon sikat na sila, ilan na yung cashier nila? 3, di ba? So sa simula, it's something that you can do. So kayo, yun ang question ko sa inyo. What can you do to your product, or how can you present your product in such a way na magmumukhang maraming tao nag-a-avail ng product nyo? Well, it's easier kung alam naman natin talagang yung product nyo, maraming nag-a-avail. Letting you do the body parts drill, di ba? Now, you want to try it again? Let's see how it works. Try lang natin. Ha? Game kayo? Gusto nyo magkapera ngayon? Lakas bigla ng boses. So, tingin sa kanan. Tingin sa kanan. Titigan siya, ganyan. Titigan siya. Tapos, sabayan niyo ako ha. Pautang. Okay. Alright. Exactly so. Okay, so, basahin, tama ba ako? Okay, next lesson I want to teach you when you present something during a sales presentation is be concise. Everybody say, be concise. Keep it simple for the person, to make the person or the client to understand it faster and better. When you explain your product, keep it as simple as possible, make it very easy to understand. Use less jargons, use simple words, make it short and simple and straight to the point. If you do that, especially there are clients who want it straightforward, and for them kasi sayang ang oras nila, parang they just want to hear what they need. So when you present something, do it this way. Yung mga single dyan, magiging pa kayo sa pag-ibig? Hindi, di ba? Sagot! May forever ba? Hindi ko narinig, may forever ba? May wala? Kanina, yes! Ulitin ko, lahat ang single magkaka-boyfriend-girlfriend ngayong taon. Yes! Magiging happy tayo every day ng buhay natin. Yes! Okay. Do you want to exceed your sales quota this year? Once again, guys, my name is Coach Jeric. Thank you very much for attending our sales professional in Arriba, and hope to see you again soon. Everybody, thank you very much. God bless.